It is Friday, February 20th. Let me show you a few seconds of a video I made on January 1st and January 2nd. Take a look. Also, because of something that Chief Justice Roberts released yesterday. If you don't know who Chief Justice Roberts is, he is the leader of the Supreme Court of the United States. I believe that the Supreme Court of the United States is fed up with Donald Trump, and they're going to start changing the way they agree or disagree with what Trump wants. And he still doesn't understand how tariffs work. The Supreme Court still has yet to give a ruling on whether these tariffs from before are legal or not. So where if the Supreme Court says that these tariffs are illegal, he's going to have to pay all that money back. And then what?
TMK Politics Now with your host, Maximus Kane. Unfiltered, reliable, fearless.
Now, the reason I show those is because I have always been trying to give people hope where everybody's been doing doom and gloom. But today's ruling from the Supreme Court does make a difference. I told people to make sure that you study history because it makes a difference. It does make a difference when you study history. Now, economists everywhere kept telling Trump that these tariffs were not going to help the country. He didn't believe them, and he did it anyway, illegally. He said he could use the 1974 Trade Act, which is another hollow threat, because that's 15% for 150 days. Other countries can deal with that, and so can we. Again, we're the ones who pay the tariffs. Trump still thinks that the other countries pay the tariffs. He didn't even know tariffs meant a tax. Now I'm going to paraphrase Mitch McConnell because I don't remember exactly what he said in his X post, but he said that this was an affirmation to show that the power belongs to Congress when it comes to the power of the purse, money, and tariffs and taxes, not the president. And although today the ruling is going to give the money back to the companies who sued for this money, how does it affect us? The average household is going to save between $600 to $800, but there was a hidden tax that nobody knew about, and that hidden tax was 7 to 8% on furniture, electronics. They're going to be gone. Apparel is going to be gone. And because of this ruling, going forward, the average household may be able to save $1,700 swing for a family over the next year, where you would be paying more. So for everybody who thought I wasn't living in reality, fuck you. Everybody else, take care of yourself, take care of each other. I'll see you in the next video.